very simple to clean out. There's a trapdoor there for clean out, so you just do that. And there is a chute that comes with the machine, so chute goes up in there. It's a stainless steel chute that comes down, and you just put all your excess seed into a bucket, and it cleans out very, very well. But yeah, the machine's it's well built. It's got a lot of good features on the machine from a technology and electronics point of view, but the machine's, it's very rigid, it's very solid. You're not going to break it in a hurry. And the discs on there, those double discs, we just did a measurement, they're around about 15-inch double disc on there. It's got good internal mud scrapers there, and good seed. There's a big piece of metal in there to protect the seed tube, so it's well designed. It's so we're very happy with the performance of these so far, and the results we've got out of these from testing has been terrific. Just precision seeding, seeds that you normally wouldn't do.